Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It's very hot in Bangalore, like it's crazy. So I'm just sitting outside. It's evening, so it's kind of a little cool and pleasant, but it's been a while since I made any video or vlogs. But recently, and by recent I think a week back or something, I was cleaning and I slipped on like a plastic sheet and fell. And when I fell, I kind of placed my hand, so my shoulder was hurting, I was unable to walk, and my hip was hurting. And it's so crazy because when we were in school and all of that, we'd fall almost every day and just bounce back, and now you fall and it just brings you down for like a week. But I thought I'll just post a chill vlog. I have nothing much to do. I started my day really late today. My sleeping schedule is messed up. I sleep really late, I wake up late and all of that. But right now I just have some clothes to fold. I have to clean my room a little, take a shower, because I have one summer mask that I really like. I need to film that. And yeah, that's it. I was just looking at this curry leaf ka. Is it a plant or a tree? Yeah, it's just growing really well, and I usually pluck curry leaves from my garden here, so it's just nice and beautiful right now. This is the plant and it's growing pretty nicely. So I usually pluck curry leaves just from here and use it in my kitchen. So Ginger, my cat, she littered again, and these are her kittens. They are just really cute. We just made this box so that they are away from my dog, and my dog doesn't do anything. Oh my god, this one is hissing at me, but they're so cute. I need to change the cloth, but then when the mother is there, she doesn't really let us come very close, so I'm kind of scared. Okay, so I guess it's been about a year and few months since I donated my hair to make wigs for cancer patient. And if you are like an old follower, you know that I had really long hair and I went and chopped it off. And now I want to grow my length back so that I can do it again. I want to grow my hair at least till my butt, and then I can chop it off again. But if you follow me, you know that I have extremely dry hair, especially my ends are extremely dry and brittle, and I get split ends very easily. So because of that, just to maintain my hair and just to make my hair look healthy, I always keep getting trims because that's suggested. But I want to introduce you guys to this range of products that really will help save the last 3 centimeters of your hair. If you have extremely dry and brittle hair like mine and it breaks easily, this product will help you out with that. So this is the L'Oreal Paris's Dream Lengths range. Now this entire range is made to restore your long damaged hair and to protect the lengths of your hair. Especially if you are someone who wants to grow their hair long, this will help restore your hair and make it healthy. Now the first product in this range is L'Oreal Paris's Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo. Now all of these products have vegetal keratin, vitamins and castor oil that helps make your hair stronger and keeps it nourished. The second product is the L'Oreal Paris's Dream Lengths Detangling Conditioner. Now again, this conditioner will help keep your hair really nourished and moisturized. And lastly, we have the L'Oreal Paris's Dream Lengths No Haircut Cream. This is the first hair cream that regenerates lengths and seals split ends, saving your last 3 centimeters. The no haircut cream works better when used with the range, and what's even better is that the products are sulfate and paraben free, guys. This product, which is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length No Haircut Cream, is like a leave-in conditioner, and I can't tell you what a game changer this is, guys. This is such a versatile product. You can use it on wet hair, dry hair. You can use it before styling your hair. It also acts as a heat protectant. It completely nourishes your hair, especially your ends and your length. If you are someone like me who has extremely brittle and dry hair at the ends, it helps moisturize it, keep it nourished, and reduces the frizz. So I'm just going to wash my hair with the shampoo and conditioner, and then I will show you guys how you can use this product. Okay, so I washed my hair with the Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo and used the Detangling Conditioner, and now I'm going to show you how you can use the No Haircut Cream. Now this is a very easy product to use, guys. You just have to part your hair in the middle. That is what I do, and I bring the two sections in front, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the No Haircut Cream and focus this on the lengths of my hair, and make sure to focus this on areas where there's a lot of dryness and a lot of split ends. And this cream is extremely creamy in texture, so it spreads really well throughout your hair, and you can get an even application. Now this product has three really powerful ingredients. One is vegetal keratin, which helps protect your hair and helps seal the damaged tips. It also has castor oil that helps nourish your hair and helps it grow longer and strengthens your hair, and it has a lot of essential vitamins that strengthen your hair and restore your hair from any kind of damage or breakage. And especially if you have hair that is very brittle and breaks very easily, these ingredients will help strengthen it and keep it nourished. So using this No Haircut Cream will keep the lengths of your hair extremely nourished. Your hair will be stronger, it will not break that easily, plus you will not have to keep cutting your hair because your hair is dry. So try using this product, especially if you want to grow your hair. This product will really help you with that. Now I'm just going to let my hair air dry and then be back to show you guys what a difference it makes. Now as you can see the before and after here, because of the No Haircut Cream, this is without me styling my hair, without using any kind of heat on my hair, just through letting it air dry. This is the difference, guys. And remember, my hair is extremely frizzy, so letting it air dry can be very risky. Now, like I mentioned previously, for someone like me who has extremely dry hair, it takes a lot of effort, and I have to put in a lot of hard work to make my hair look healthy and be frizz free. But with this product, it is very, very easy. You just need this product, and because it's a leave-in, it really helps nourish and moisturize your hair. And if you are someone like me, who has extremely dry ends and you want to grow your hair but you cannot because you have to keep cutting it off because you have a lot of split ends, then definitely try this, because this will help restore your hair. It will help with your dry damaged hair and keep your hair extremely healthy and moisturized. I will leave the links to all of these products in the description box for you guys to check it out, and their range is quite affordable. This product is about, I think, 499 rupees. I will leave it on the screen and in the description box for you guys to check it out. So please try it, especially if you want to have long hair like I do, and I really want to grow the length of my hair at least this year, so that I'm able to donate my hair again. So yeah, that's it. Let's just move on to the vlog. Okay, so moving on with the vlog, of course I did all this before I took a shower, but here I'm just folding some clothes. I have a very weird habit that I have to fold the clothes because there's a particular way I like doing it, and when someone else does it, it kind of bothers me. So I like to fold my clothes the moment I get it. Now there are days when I'm lazy and I just don't do it, but mostly I like doing it, and I like folding my clothes and putting it away immediately. I don't like it sitting there, because just clothes sitting around in my room bothers me sometimes. Next, I'm just cleaning my bed. Now usually I like doing this in the mornings, but sometimes I'm just lazy and I want to sit on my bed for a long time, but I always make sure to make my bed most of the times. So I'm just cleaning my bed and I'm just putting the bedsheet properly. Now I usually use like a comb and something that is a little more easier for me to tuck the bed sheets into the bed. So here I'm just using a comb. It just makes it easier and looks extremely neat. And I like my bed sheets to be extremely tight and extremely neat. So that's what I'm doing. And then I just put the pillows and blankets. It was a very weird, lazy day. Lazy, but not so lazy. I don't know. It was just a very weird day. Now, no matter what time of the day it is, sometimes I like lighting candles. This one I bought from Miniso. It's a very nice scented candles. I don't like candles that are very strong. I like something that has a very mild scent to it. But next I'm going to show you guys my favorite snack that I always have, and it's very, very easy. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take some chili powder, some salt powder, and then use lime juice to make it into a paste. Now this you can eat with guava, you can eat with cucumber, you can eat with mango, you can eat with carrots, you can eat with celery, you can eat with tomato. You can eat this with anything. It's very, very tasty, very nice, but also kind of makes you feel a little healthy. So I'm having this with cucumber. Now after this I kind of wasn't feeling that great, so I just stopped the vlog here. But on this particular day I was having it with cucumber. I try to make vlogs, but then also I think my life's very boring and that's why I don't do it. But I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. Try this, it's yummy.